Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna build a chicken farm. So I ran out of charge and I built this, but the video did not save. So yeah, here's the second time trying to make the video. So this is a pretty good chicken farm. This is all the redstone you need. And this is how it looks. It'll be good if you tuck it in a wall. Random, observers. This is everything you need. 19 of any block you want. 10 ladders. It could be 5, but if you want to make it look good, stick with the 10. 4 glass. If it's a half glass, if it's a stained glass, it will be like the chicken could escape. So it has to be full. 1 chest. 1 lava, 2 observers, 5 redstone, 1 slab, 1 comparator, 1 redstone repeater, 1 sticky piston, 1 dispenser, 2 hoppers, and 1 spruce door, a trap door. It could be any trap door, and it could also be any slab. You could pause right here if you want to check it out. Okay, let's get started. First, you punch 2 holes on the ground. Get your sticky piston and get 1 redstone. Put that there and get a block right there and do like L because it symbolizes the chicken got L, took an L, if you know what I mean. Do it like that. Put 2 redstone just like that. A comparator right there, and a repeater because the comparator doesn't give really good signal. Just like my Wi-Fi. Just kidding. You don't need to put a lever. I'm just checking because I always make this mistake. I'm really bad. Imagine I put it in the same place. I put it in the same place. I'm a noob. I'm still a noob. Okay, there we go. I'm such a noob. We learn something new every day. So you put a block right there. You don't do that. You put a dispenser right here. So if I didn't... You know what, let's just keep that there. Oh yeah, and then see it works. Like you never knew that. Like that. You do that. Then you do that. You do that because with the liver, it's a clock. Chicken's one of the best food sources also. So you should watch this. Get your hopper. Put a chest there. If I can figure out where. Put your hopper facing the chest and put a slab on it. Don't worry, the eggs could still dispense if you're wondering. And yes, eggs will be dispensed out of here. And the chickens will be standing right here. And now, you just need to cover it up because you don't want the chickens to escape. And you want the food. Yeah, don't block that off. Stand on top of these. 1, 2. Come on. Let's go. And another 2 there. So you could always observe them. But don't forget to put lava right there and then block it off. Don't forget to not die, because that will be really bad. That doesn't even matter. Break that block, because we're trying to make this as cheap as possible. To all of you loyal viewers. big block. You should probably do this first on a creative world, just to make sure you did everything correct and you understand the mechanisms. This also works on Java Edition and Bedrock on any platform, if you're wondering. So all you Java Edition players, you can still build this if you want to. Okay, back to the video. So yeah, you put a spruce door there, and then that's 2 blocks. It's supposed to be 3, so I can climb on up like this, and then you could put 5 blocks if you want, but to make it look nice, you know, just put 2. Looks better. And now you put the chickens. Wait, let me get some chickens. I'll be back. So you just need 1, 2. You know, get some grass. Wait, I'm such a noob. It's called seeds. I'm such a nub. And then, you know, you can just, just reproduce. But you know what I'll do? To just speed up the process. You can just do that. Close it off. And then soon they'll hatch eggs. If everything goes to plan, at least. I'll be back when there's eggs. Okay, look. It's putting eggs. We already have like 2 chickens. You just close the hatch. We don't want any chicken escaping. Or, I mean, they won't escape, but you don't want any mobs to get in there, you know? Phantoms. If they do kill chickens. Whatever kills chickens. So yeah, see, it works. It's a very simple design. And it's a pretty good food source. So yeah, let's do the outro. If you guys enjoyed the video, and yes, I'm sitting on the chest that you get all your stuff from. See, automatic chicken farm tutorial stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it works. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notification. And see you guys next time. Peace. Okay.